Hi and welcome to the Christmas Challenge Stampathon 2018. My name is Rosalie Desmond and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator from Australia. Today I have the latest sketch challenge to show you. This goes from the 25th of July right through to the 24th of August. The mat in this case I've done in real red. It's 14.5 by 10 centimeters. The 3 strips of DSP are 14 by 3 centimeters, and they're using the Under the Mistletoe Designer Series paper from the 2018 to 2019 annual catalogue. Then I've used a piece of Whisper White strip, 1.5 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Grabbed the second largest circle, and I have used the Hometown Greetings edgelets, chosen one of the edgelets from the dies and cut it out in Whisper White. I've used the Hearts Come Home for my sentiment, Merry and Bright, which I've gold embossed. So the first thing I do is use the embossing buddy, grab some Versamark and my stamp and stamp my sentiment. I then grab my gold embossing powder, sprinkle a little on my sentiment. It'll catch where the Versamark is. Tap it off. Give it a flick. I like to preheat my heat tool. It helps to prevent my paper from warping. You then heat the embossing powder, and if you can see, it starts to change. And then grab the edgelet, which I've already pre-cut. Pop a little bit of glue on the back. I'm doing today's project on a craft mat because I knew it was going to get messy with the glue, and I was able to wipe it clean. I made sure that the edgelet went off the edge of my circle. So I'm then able to cut it. I've used Tombow liquid glue to stick down all the components of the card. I was after making a slightly different card from the last one, so I turned over different pieces. find it easier to do the two outer pieces of DSP first and then move on to the centre one. I found my spacing was a little bit easier. Then grab my white strip of paper and just found a spot that I was happy with and just placed it. I've lined the circle up so the white part of my edgelet lines up with my white strip. Grab some thick Whisper white cardstock for my card base and glue my front down. If you find that you've got just a little bit hanging over, just turn your card upside down and trim it. And there you have it, one completed card. These cards are nice and simple, great for a gift for someone if you want to make up a pack of Christmas cards for them, or if you have a lot of Christmas cards to make. Now if you like my video, please subscribe down below. If you're part of the Christmas challenge, please feel free to leave a comment. I look forward to speaking to you all next month. Thank you.